What's brewing, everybody? Today my topic will be on this hair tool that I bought on Amazon. It is called the REVLON hair dryer volumizer, and it's basically like an all-in-one. It has these nice bristles on here, and it's a dryer that has different settings on here. It basically has a cool, a low, and a high on there. So I purchased this for about $50 I think on Amazon. I will link it down below, and I've had it for about 3 months. So if you're interested in knowing how it works, if it really works, if it's really worth the hype, and how this crazy mane of mine turns into, I don't know, something where I just walked out of the salon, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I do is I always separate it, starting from the bottom. I just separate it like this, and I get a brush, a wide tooth comb, and I really just brush it out just to make sure that there's no tangles or anything like that, and just softly brush it out. So, and then I turn this on. That took me maybe a minute or so, and this is, I don't know if you can really see it, how my hair looks right now. And the ends is just, it's so smooth. Like, from this, compare it to how my hair looks when it's wet. I mean, it makes such a big difference, and this is exactly why I love it, and it's so quick. So that is one part of it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I did this side, and it's so smooth. That's how it looks like. My hair. I still have a lot more to do, so I will continue doing that, and I will be right back to show you once maybe this part is all done. All right. Okay, so here it is. I did this side of my hair and also this side of my hair, and it just feels so good. Okay, so let me get this part. So that is the other side of it, and this is how it looks. getting there. Okay, last part right here, and we're ready. We're almost there. This is how it looks when it's done, and I'm not sure what time I actually started, but honestly that was less than 30 minutes, way less than 30 minutes. Let me just show you the back side of my hair. That's how it looks. Okay, so let me know if you guys have ever purchased this, or if you guys want to purchase it and you tried it, and let me know if it works or it didn't. But honestly, for me, $50 is so worth it, and kills my time with blow drying and straightening. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, just go ahead and please subscribe or like the video, or just leave positive comments. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.